Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stockhero with the updated method. Stockhero is an AI-powered trading bot platform that helps you automate your trading strategies without needing a code. Once you've created your account on Stockhero, you're going to log into the dashboard. So the first thing that you will want to do is to connect your exchange. So you will see this. You have here your guided steps on what you're going to do first once you have created your account. So for step one, we're going to have to connect our brokerage, although this is optional. So Stockhero supports popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, and KuCoin. So to do this, you're just going to grab your API keys from your exchange account and paste them into Stockhero's exchange setup section. So what we're going to do is you're just going to click on this brokerage API and it will lead you to this page where you can integrate your brokerage. Now, you're just going to make sure you only give the necessary permissions like trading and not withdrawals for safety. Next, once you're done with that, you're going to click on I have connected my exchange, and then here you're going to create your first bot. So you can build or select a trading bot. So for example, we're just going to click on next here, and then we're going to create our first bot. So Stockhero offers ready-made templates if you're new, or you can customize one yourself by setting parameters like entry signals, stop-loss levels, and take profit targets. Now, once your bot is set, you just run it in the paper trading mode to test performance without risking real money. So how are you going to do that? So you're just going to click on this Create My First Bot Now. And as you can see, it has been automatically created. So you can edit this or you can view this later on in the bots tab. So what we're going to do is just going to click on exit quick start, and then it is going to take us right here. Now you will see this first bot that you already have. You can just click on this and then click on edit so that you can edit your bot and you can just view your assets. You can edit the trade parameters, the entry conditions, exit conditions, and you can now save and update your bot. And after you're satisfied, you're going to enable live trading and let the bot execute trades on your behalf. You also find analytics in the dashboard showing your profits, win rates, and risk exposure. One tip is always monitor and adjust your strategy based on market volatility. And that's it. That is how you can use Stockhero AI. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.